Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic Schedule Performance Index or short form is SPI. Friend, with respect to exam point of view, if you are planning to give exam of PMP or planning to give exam of project management in any university, so SPI or Schedule Performance Index is a very important topic with respect to exam point of view. Also friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a professional project manager, so again this topic is very important and you must have to know that what is schedule performance index or SPI and how to use the concept in our practical and professional life. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Schedule Performance Index or SPI. First of all, friend, try to understand that this is a concept which pertains to project management. First of all, this is the topic which is mainly related to project management. So friend, first of all, I would ask that what is project in your opinion? What do you know about project? Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, project is a temporary activity which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output or product. That is called as a project. For example, friend, if you are implementing an e-commerce solution for a customer and you have to complete that project in 4 months, so it's a temporary means that after 4 months the project will finish and resources will be released and no more expenses will be on the project, and you will have a unique output or product that is called as e-commerce solution. So that is an example of a project. First of all, friend, try to understand that project is a temporary activity. It will never be an ongoing activity. Okay. Now, if you can understand the concept of project, now we can talk about the concept of uh, earned value. See friend, here schedule performance index, it is a topic which is related to project management, and under the concept of project management, another concept is earned value. So before we are going into deep for schedule performance index, first of all we must have to understand the earned value concept. Friend, earned value concept is simply the thing is that uh, earned value means, just see the term earned value. Earned value, what actually you have earned. See, this is the comparison of actual versus planned. See, if you have planned that take an example that you will travel from location A to location B and you want to meet to your some relative. Okay, you plan that you will travel and you have a plan that within 1 hour you will travel from one location A to location B. So this is your plan that within 1 hour you will travel and you will reach there at your desired location. This is your plan. Now in actual what happened, that once the journey starts, you realize that within 1 hour you have traveled only the half of the distance and you complete the distance in 2 hours. So see, actually what is your earned value? 2 hours. You have planned that you will reach there in 1 hour. In actual, you reach there in 2 hours. So what is your earned value here? The 2 hours. So simply just friend, if you just take an example, earned value means that what actually you earn. Okay, so this is an actual, that comparison of planned versus actual, and it tells you that actually you what you have earned from your desired. Okay, now friend, coming towards our main topic, schedule performance index. See, schedule is a topic related to project management, then the earned value concept, then see schedule performance index. Schedule, if you just see the terms schedule performance index, it tells you that what is your performance about schedule. Like for example, just take an example that you are implementing a mobile application for a customer, and you plan that you have a 4 months project, and you will complete, first of all, in the first month you will complete the development, then in the second month you will complete the QA, then in the third month UAT, and in the fourth month production deployment. Let's take an example, just take an example. So this is your schedule. Whenever we talk about schedule, friend, that means we are talking about dates. Okay, whenever we are talking about schedule, we are always basically talking about the durations, the dates. For example, if we just, what is schedule? What is your schedule? That my schedule is that I will have a meeting by on tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. with a customer. So this is my schedule. What is your schedule? I have a schedule that I will go to shopping on Sunday uh, at 7 p.m. For example, this is my schedule. So friend, whenever we talk about a schedule, basically we are talking about dates, we are talking about durations. Okay, now here the concept of schedule performance index, SPI, the short form is SPI, it basically tells you the performance of your schedule. See friend, here schedule SPI, basically it is the, as per the formula, SPI is equal to earned value divided by planned value. First of all friend, remember one thing, that you must have to memorize the formulas as well. Why? Because in the exam point of view, you must have to memorize the exam, because in the exam questions will came at which you have to calculate. So SPI is equal to earned value divided by planned value. For example, just take an example friend. What does it mean? Earned value, you know what is the concept of earned value. Earned value concept is that what actually you have achieved. Okay, you planned, there are two terms friend, just take an example, there are two terms, earned value and the PV is the short form of planned value. Okay, so SPI is the ratio, or you can it is the ratio between earned value versus the planned value. So basically we are saying, for example, just take an example, this example, just SPI would be 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. How we have calculated this one? See, your earned value, you planned that you were working on a e-commerce solution, and you planned that within 15 days we will complete we will complete two works, two tasks. For example, the software development and software designing. For example, just take an example. Okay, so two tasks were planned. You planned you were planned that within 2 weeks you will complete that task, and in actual what happened, it happened that it will complete in 3 months, 3 weeks, for example. So that means that you have, first of all, earned value concept is means that what actually you have achieved. Okay, for example, just another example. For example, you planned that you will complete any particular task in 4 weeks, and in actual what happened, that in actual the task was completed in 6 weeks. So that means friend, if you divide divide by planned value, if the SPI is above 1, that means you are ahead of schedule. If it is below 1, that means you are behind. So friend, first of all, always remember that with respect to exam point of view, you must have to know if SPI is ahead of a schedule, if SPI is above than 1, so it means that you are ahead of schedule. If it is below 1, so that means your SPI, you are behind the schedule. So friend, this is very important concept of SPI, schedule performance index. SPI formula, just remember that SPI formula is EV divide by PV, earned value divide by planned value. What actually you have achieved, divide by the planned value. So planned value, whatever you have achieved in actual, just divided by the planned value whatever actually you have planned. So it is the basically the ratio between what actually you have achieved divided by what you have planned for it. So in that scenario you will get the value of SPI or schedule performance index. If SPI is above than 1, that means you are ahead of a schedule. That is a good sign, a positive sign. If SPI is less than 1, so that means you are behind schedule and it is a negative impact, it is a negative signal. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.